Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Coffee House is similar to your high school talent shows in that it's a talent show, but it's way better because generally the acts are way better, but also they give you free food and coffee.
There's always a lot of anticipation for it. So you'll be talking with friends like, oh, what are you going to do this year? Do you want to get together and do this or that? There are so many talented people at the school.
Some people read poetry, some people act a little bit.
There's a lot of people who sing, some people do stand-up, some people do things like improv comedy.
Just a lot of, a great mix of different acts.
I get to meet all these different kinds of people and just become better friends with them.
People here are so talented with music, they have their original songs, and I really look forward to those especially.
Everybody sort of gets to show off what they can do to everybody else, and it's really kind of cool to see.
I see people who are usually pretty introverted and quiet just come out and seize the opportunity and do something that I had no idea that they could do.
So we have a lot of really talented singers doing their thing. I've also seen in Coffee House the single best kazoo act I've seen in my life.
Coffee House, I think, is a really cool event because what it does is it lets students who are freshmen and seniors perform alongside each other.
It brings a lot of unity because a lot of people want to do things together. There are a lot of team acts.
But it's a nice chance to get out of your shell and just be a really close-knit community.
And so regardless of what program you're in here, almost everybody comes to Coffee House. And Coffee House, you really get some of everybody and almost everybody coming together to kind of just enjoy talent and coffee.